Welcome to Throttle Channel. We are open and honest about automotive reviews. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button for updates whenever we upload our content. Today we are going to get an up-close review on the car that is slowly replacing the Toyota Probox, Toyota's most famous commercial van. One of the best commercial vans on the market is without a doubt the Toyota Probox. It has advanced far with less improvements than any other vehicle since it was first manufactured in July 2002 to replace the Sprinter and be categorized as a 5-door light commercial van. The Probox has an assortment of engine sizes, ranging from 1,298 cubic centimeters to 1,498 cubic centimeters, with the latter powered by Toyota's renowned 1NZFE engine, which is renowned for its effectiveness and low maintenance costs. The Probox, one of Toyota's models that hasn't yet installed a hybrid powertrain, has also been overlooked in other advances. Before getting a facelift and a new dashboard in 2015, it hadn't undergone any significant body modifications. Unlike its rival, the Toyota Succeed, the Probox lacks power windows and a rear headrest, which suggests that it wasn't designed with passengers in mind. The Nissan Advan, one of its competitors, can carry up to 505 kilograms, while the Probox, a business van, can only carry up to 450 kilograms. The Advan, a Nissan vehicle without a CDT transmission, is in every way competitive with the Probox. The Nissan Advan, which was first produced in 1982, is categorized as a light commercial van and is available with engines ranging in capacity from 1300 to 1500 cc. In contrast to the Probox, which just underwent significant body modifications, the Nissan Advan has always had power windows and plush seats. Between Toyota Probox and Nissan Advan, which is value for money? Remember to share your sentiments in the comments section.